Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Happy Toppings by Teju. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is on a very interesting topic, that is my favorite IKEA products in our home. I love IKEA products and it's my favorite home furnishing store. As we live in Hyderabad, I have been to IKEA for a couple of times, and also they have an online store and they do provide delivery options to other cities as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you few products which I've been using, and also I'll mention the price of each product on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First product is this desk organizer. I love this color and it is perfect to store all small items, stationery, sticky notes, planners, diaries, etc. And the small organizer makes your desk look organized and beautiful. Next is this toolbox. This is my favorite product. This toolkit has all the tools and equipment which comes handy at home for all small repairs. And it is very useful product worth buying. Next is this over the sink strainer. It is very useful product to wash fruits or veggies under water. Also you can use this to dry utensils to free up your counter space. Next I have this dishwasher rack. I use this to store hand wash, dishwashing liquid and scrub. It also has holes here to drain the excess water. Next is this transparent box with lid. You can store things according to your need. I used it in refrigerator to store fruits. As it is transparent, you can quickly find what you need. Next is this mini chopping board. It comes handy in the kitchen to cut veggies or fruits in small quantities. Next are the small colorful boxes with lid, and these boxes are stackable. These are perfect boxes to keep all the small items at one place. We can use it anywhere in home like kitchen, on your desk or in your bedside table, etc. These boxes are available in various colors. Next, let me show you different artificial plants and planters which I have at our home. First comes this cute succulents. It comes in a set of 3. These make the place look lively and can be used in both indoor and outdoor. I also have few other artificial plants. When you can't maintain real plants indoors but still want those vibes, these plants are perfect. The best part is these look real. And next is this hanging planter. It really adds beauty to the space. To make these plants look even more beautiful, I have bought few planters. Next is this small box with lid. It is used to store small things in it, and it also has handle over here and you can label it too. I have used this box on my desk to store cable cards, power bank, hard disk, etc. Next is this wide storage basket with handles. It is very useful to organize your drawers. This is also available in various colors. Next is this cable management box. It has 2 outlets on both the sides. It hides all wires and cables. These boxes are great solution to hide all power strips or cables and makes everything look neat and organized. Next is this alarm clock, which is available in white and black color, and it serves the purpose. Next product is this magazine holder. It is very helpful to store important documents and keep them handy. These are also available in various colors and designs. I have used this in desk drawer to store important documents. Next are the storage boxes in white and blue combination. I love this quality of this product, and this is also a multi-purpose storage box. Next are these colorful kitchen storage containers. It really helps to utilize the vertical space in order to free up the countertop in the kitchen. We can also hang them to a rod. I have used them in our kitchen to store all the spoons and ladles. Next is this coffee mug. I really like the shape and color of this mug. I start my day with this. Next is the scented candle. It smells amazing and it instantly uplifts the mood. Next is this storage basket with lid. It's very big in size, it is sturdy and has cutout handles to hold or lift it. Perfect organizer to store items in your shelves. Next is this multi-purpose big basket to store large items and keeps your shelves organized. The best part is it is foldable when not in use. I have used these boxes in this way in our home office. These boxes really help me to keep my cupboard organized. The last product is this coffee or a breakfast table. This table is foldable. I use it as my laptop stand whenever I work on the bed. This product has been super useful to me in the work from home times. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Please let me know in the comment section which product you like the most. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with friends and family. And follow me on Instagram handle Happy Toppings by Teju for other interesting content and video updates. See you soon on another video. Bye.